We at the Ferdinand-Steinbeis-Institut research how new technologies transform businesses and impact society at large. The Internet of Things is one such technology. It allows different objects to connect over the Internet and thereby share information openly. This open information sharing is what enables businesses to create new value. Enterprises can now collaborate through their shared information and create so-called IoT ecosystems. Various consortia have recently formed to initiate such IoT ecosystems. But how these IoT ecosystems form from existing ecosystems is not yet well understood. Initiating these ecosystem transformations is especially challenging for small and medium-sized enterprises. The German craft sector has many of these small and medium-sized enterprises. We conducted a case study in the German craft sector to find out how an existing craft ecosystem can transform into an IoT ecosystem. To answer this question, we conducted a case study in the electrical engineering trade. We had the opportunity to observe how the different enterprises interact in a combination with their trade association in this transformation. Using a design science methodology, we were able to create a three-phased approach to IoT ecosystem creation. Based on our observations during our case study and based on knowledge taken from existing literature, we created this approach. We evaluated our three-phased approach to IoT ecosystem creation in a workshop with a panel of experts. The three-phased approach is the artifact of our research. It structures different consecutive phases in an ecosystem's development, from ecosystem into an IoT ecosystem. The first phase is focused on adapting existing structures to collaboratively process data. The enterprises within the ecosystem keep processing their own clients' data. But on top of that, they send their inspection data to the trade association for further processing. The trade association can then take these multiple inspection data protocols and combine them to process them for further insights. This first phase is relatively simple, especially for participating enterprises, but it also provides first real tangible benefits for them. In the second phase, individual enterprises lay the foundation for an eventual IoT ecosystem. They connect their existing systems through the Internet of Things. This means going for their client systems and changing the setup of their work. They connect the client's systems with a real-time transfer to their enterprise cloud. Enabling real-time data transfer between themselves and their client systems is what enables the enterprises to create more and better services for their clients. But it also enables the trade association to improve their processing. This second phase is more involved than the first one. But enterprises can progress at their own pace. They do not need to progress from the first phase through the second phase at the same time. There's benefits for each enterprise in this process. The third and final phase opens the existing IoT systems of each enterprise to create the IoT ecosystem of multiple enterprises, including the trade association and potential third parties. This means sharing real-time data and information not only in their existing ecosystem, but with the potential third parties that provide value in, for example, processing data in new and potentially value-creating ways. Our three-phased approach can help guide research and practitioners in their journey from an ecosystem to an IoT ecosystem, unlocking new value for business and society as a whole. Find out more about our research in our paper.